In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resubscribe contacts to your marketing emails in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will help you get your contacts back on your email list quickly and effectively. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Marketing, then select Email. This will take you to the Email Management area where you can control your campaigns and settings. Next, click on the Settings tab. Here, you'll find the options to manage your subscription preferences. Look for Subscriptions. This is where you can control how contacts subscribe or resubscribe to your emails. To resubscribe contacts, click on Resubscription Email. This tool is designed to help you reach out to contacts who previously opted out, giving them a chance to rejoin your email list. You can customize the email template, edit the message content, and make sure it matches your brand's voice. Be sure your message is clear and concise, and include a simple call to action, inviting contacts to resubscribe. Once you're happy with your edits, save the changes, and your resubscription email is ready to go. By following these steps, you're giving your contacts the choice to re-engage with your emails while respecting their preferences. It's a simple but effective way to rebuild your audience and keep your email marketing strong. And that's how you resubscribe contacts to your marketing emails in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.